Okay. Welcome to Data Basics and Beyond, and my name is Omotayo Odwaya. Today we'll be talking about the core functions of Excel. We have the sum, which gives us the total of a numeric range. The average shows us the mean of values. The the count range shows us the number of numerical cells. The counter range counts non-empty cells, and the if functions give us conditional statement, e.g., if Ayo goes to the market, give her 500 naira. It's not a complete sentence, but if you say if Ayo goes to the market, give her 500 naira, otherwise, don't give her any money. That is a complete if statement. If statement is just English. You just need to complete your statement to make it form a meaning. Now we'll go ahead to the practical aspects. So to get to use, I want to use a core function in Excel. I want to use it to get the sales amount. Sales amount is quantity times unit price. So you say equals to D2 times E2 and you click on OK and you get your sales amount. This is how to use a function, the core function in Excel. So what this basically did is that it loops into, okay, what is the first thing that she used and help you create the formula. It fills everything down according to what formula you first used. That's how to use one of the core functions in Excel. So we'll be using another example to get our total cost. So to get our total cost is quantity times unit cost. So you say equals to D2 times F2, enter. And this is how you get your total cost. So you see, I just double clicked and it helped me fill down everything. And if you calculate it yourself manually, you see that it is actually correct. For our gross profit, it is sales amount minus total cost. So you see, you say equals to sales amount minus total cost and you click on easy enter and you see it gives you your gross profit. You just double click after you've written the first formula and it helps you fill down. So to get our profit margin, we'll say gross profit divided by sales amount. So you use your equals function, equals that's I2 divided by G2. Sorry, I2 divided by G2. Let enter and double click on this and it will produce the many answer, and that's how to use your to get your profit margin, and that's how to use a core function in Excel. So we want to use a statement to get our margin sales. So you say equals to if J2 is less than, let's say 0.5, comma low margin. So otherwise high margin, high then enter. So now if we double click on this to show us the ones that has low margin and the ones that has high margin. So you see how to use your if statement. If it is low margin, let me see, and if it is high margin, let me see if either true or not. So it is a conditional statement. It has to have a complete statement for it to produce an answer.